Hello guys, in this video we will work on adding state to the application frontend. We will use Zustand. Zustand is one of many state management libraries for React. It is small, fast and scalable barebone state management solution using simplified flux principles. It has a comfy API based on books and isn't boilerplatey or opinionated. Zustand docs are at the link below and please check them out. Also, if you'd like to follow along, the Begin GitHub branch is in the description. So let's get started. First, we're going to add Zustand package to the front end. Now we're gonna create store and user store.ts file in src on the front end. We're going to import create function from the Zustand and DevTools middleware from Zustand middleware, so we have an insight into our store, so much like we can do it with a Redux. We're also going to go and import API client to fetch our initial state. So let's create interface with ID, name, loading and delete user function. Now let's create use user store using create function, and we're going to wrap the function in the DevTools. And then the create function is also passed the set function from Zustand, so we can set our state, right? And in delete user function, we're just going to be setting ID and name to undefined. Now let's go ahead and create name for the store, and we will call it a user store. Let's also fetch initial state from the endpoint API user on the backend. If response is successful, we will set loading false and username and user ID. And if there is an error, we will just set the loading state to false, leaving everything else undefined. Let's go to the backend server.cs and create API user endpoint. It's a very simple get endpoint that will return JSON ID 1 and name John. Now in header content.tsx file, we're going to remove React query code, and we're going to import use user store from the file that we created, and we're going to get username from the state. And now we're going to put it as a text in the header. So let's go ahead and do npm run dev. We're going to click on go to dashboard, and in the header we can see name John. So it looks like the code is working and initial state is loaded. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.